Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a OnePlus 9 Pro with the broken display, and as you can see there's a major green line across the display. So let's go fix it. So you can see there, the display is not really looking great. You can still use the display, to be honest, but if you're very particular and you can just have it fixed, why not? Personally, for me, I'll still use this smartphone. Yeah, it's gonna get worse. The green lines is not really a good sight. The display overall is really clean. This is not a smartphone that has been abused, but it's really unfortunate sometimes that when you drop something, it has to be your phone. And that's gonna be damage that you will see every time you use it. So we are here to replace the display and make the problem go away. And this smartphone has not been opened before. You can see the adhesives on the back cover is still intact. It's still quite strong. And then we'll remove it, slice through it. We'll also cut some adhesives that are quite stubborn, and then we'll lift it up slowly. Spray some IPA on this side to soften the glue. There we go. And there you go. Peel that off. We'll remove some screws on the back of the device. So we can get access to the display connector. The display connector is located on the daughter board. You can see on the bottom right corner, you will see the connector there. So we have to remove the daughter board on this area, remove some antenna cables and connectors, and we'll lift this up and free up that connector for the display. So once that is done, we can now test the replacement display. You can see there, we can just position it this way. It's quite tricky and fiddly to install it, so it took us some time. We'll just skip that part over and we'll reconnect everything, especially this one, just to make sure we have signals between the daughter board and the motherboard, the main board, and we'll turn this on. So we are expecting to see something on the replacement display, and we have a display. We have the OnePlus logo, the Android logo, and we'll wait for it to boot up. I think this smartphone has sufficient battery charge. But unfortunately, we can't show you the internal components. We don't have the password, the pattern for this smartphone. So we'll just go to the emergency dialer. You can see there, it's responding to touch. Very flawless. The display is also looking pristine. There you go. Touchscreen is working. We'll shut this phone down for now. Yeah. There you go. Yes, this is a good indication that we can now continue with our disassembly and reassembly. So next up, since we have detached the connector for the display at the back, we can now focus on the front. We'll remove the broken display. We'll cut through the adhesive because it's quite tight on the housing up front. So we'll slide it through. We'll use this plastic shim and pry it open. We'll just You see the battery connector is already out of the housing. Okay, we'll cut through. The adhesive is quite strong. The factory adhesive is quite strong on this one. Well, we have used lots of alcohol to soften the adhesive. And we'll just patch in some additional adhesive tape so that we can install the new display. Also fix up some problems with, I think, the speaker grill for this one. So now we will put our own liquid adhesive since it's really not enough. The existing adhesive is not enough. We'll put our liquid adhesive around the housing so that we can properly install the replacement display. So we have routed the connector through the housing. We'll push this in. There you go. So everything will be reinstalled. The connector for the display will be connected to underneath this daughter board. We can't really see it because it's obstructed by this daughter board, but it's in there. Connectors will be put back. The antenna cables for this one will also go back to their places. There you go. And then we'll cover this up. So if you have a OnePlus 9 Pro that needs a new display, new battery, you don't hesitate to message Sydney CBD Repair Centre. You can chat on us on Instagram, Facebook, or you can leave a comment on this video. If you don't want to visit us, you can also mail in your broken smartphone, and then we'll fix it here in the shop and send it to your address anywhere in the world. So we'll close this back up now, then press it in. There you go. We're done. So the smartphone looks brand new up front. The back, it's still the same, but it's still better than what we started with at the start of this video. And this is the before and after. Thank you for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.